There are, like you say, many different ways and optimize and split test. But like, if you're a beginner and you have limited budget, what are those ones that really you should go for? You know, some of them are more.
What would I suggest?
What's more popularly used, I guess?
So most new sellers don't take the time to create lifestyle images. Lifestyle images are those that typically where it's a product in use by a person. It's a scene. You know, you can't use it as your main image on Amazon, at least. You can't use it as your main image, but you can certainly use it as a supplement image on a product listing. You can also use it as a main image in your headline search ads. And the more, you know, instead of, in other words, it's very common for a new seller to be overwhelmed and therefore become lazy, and they're like, okay, I'm going to try one thing and it's either going to work or it's not going to work. But really what it takes, especially, you know, given how much competition is in the space, is you really have to do your work in order to focus on maybe a smaller set of keywords. And it's not an amount of quantity of keywords. It's about how am I focusing on a specific audience, and does my main image and my title focus on that specific audience that I'm running the keywords for. A lot of times we're just like I'm just going to put out in the title, I'm going to use my product title just like I do with, you know, their product listing about the keyword they're searching for. I'm going to show my product as the main image, and I'm going to put in, you know, 100 keywords into my headline ads, and just, you're not targeting it at all. You're just sending out a shotgun spread out there in order to try to get in front of a big audience, when really it would be a lot more effective. You're going to have much higher click-through rate, much higher conversion rate, if you create several headline ads and break it down by who's my target audience, what kind of search terms am I focusing in on. I wouldn't go so far as to say or I should say keywords with headline ads. I wouldn't go so far as to say do one keyword per headline ad. That's excessive, right? I wouldn't, what I would focus in is on a group of like 10 to 20 very closely related keywords that I've already proven convert for my product in sponsored product ads, the other ad types. And then I would bring them over, and then I would test my main image, and, you know, preferably like say a lifestyle image, which most people don't realize they can do, and test different ads in order to see how well can I target that ad, and constantly create new ones every single month, create a new ad and compare, like, okay, how'd that one do to this one? Split test to see, oh, I changed this one little thing about the title and I got a much higher engagement than my last ad. Continue to learn, continue to refine the advertising strategy for your specific product niche.